In the age of financial independence movements and side hustles, the phrase passive income has become a buzzword. But what if I told you that passive income is lying to you? It's time to pull back the curtain and separate the myth from reality. In this video, we'll explore why passive income might be more fiction than fact, and reveal what you should focus on instead. The dream is simple. Earn money while you sleep. Passive income promises a pathway to financial freedom without constant effort. However, the concept is often misunderstood. The term suggests that you can create an ongoing income stream that requires no further work. Picture this: lounging on a beach while the money rolls in. But here's the catch: an utterly hands-off income stream is not only rare, but practically non-existent for most people. Firstly, let's break down what passive income supposedly comprises. You may have heard about rental properties, stock dividends, or successful blogs. At first glance, these avenues seem promising, but upon closer inspection, they reveal a different story. Take rental properties, for example. While they can generate steady cash flow, they require significant upfront investment and active management, whether that involves repairs, dealing with tenants, or addressing unexpected issues. Are we truly avoiding work here, or just trading one form of it for another? Then, there's the stock market, a favorite passive income source touted by many. However, it demands a deep understanding of market dynamics, not to mention an investment of time in research and strategy. Consider the old adage: the market is a fickle mistress. With volatility and unpredictability, relying solely on passive markets can be precarious. In short, while dividends provide income, they involve an ongoing effort to maintain. Now, let's talk about what's often whispered in the digital landscape blogs and digital products. At first glance, these seem passive once set up. But in reality, they require ongoing content updates, marketing, and audience engagement to remain profitable. The effort behind the scenes far outweighs the perceived passiveness sold to aspiring entrepreneurs. Herein lies the truth. Most so-called passive income ventures require substantial active involvement to initiate and sustain. So, where does that leave us? Are we doomed to eternal toil? Certainly not. Instead of chasing misleading dreams, consider fundamentally altering your approach. Focus on leveraging your skills and passions in ways that optimize efficiency and sustainability. Rather than envisioning passive, shift towards building diversified income streams that balance automation and active management. For example, consultancy combines expertise with flexibility, integrating active input with periods of independence. Moreover, cultivating adaptability and embracing lifelong learning keeps you agile amidst changing economic landscapes. Refining your skills and anticipating trends allows you to pivot as opportunities arise, ensuring a steady income flow that aligns with market demands. Think of this as active investment in yourself, the returns of which you control. As we wrap this up, remember, passive income, as commonly understood, is more of a myth than a model. Instead of chasing the elusive dream of doing nothing for something, anchor your approach in reality and practicality. Build a portfolio enriched with diversification, knowledge, and adaptive strategies that foster genuine financial health. Acknowledge the necessary blend of effort and creativity required to build and sustain wealth. The narrative of true financial independence begins here, with you empowered, informed, and proactive. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more insights. We'll see you in the next video. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to www.kill9to5.com.